To the world, I would say one thing: stand by and watch Africa become a powerhouse of the future. As the youth of Africa drive the economy for the next 10 years, it will be an exciting decade. And I really challenge the whole world to participate and support Africa to become that global powerhouse.
This is the beginning of something very, very big.
Now is your time. The world and Africa has never been in a better place for young people to stand up and make their future their own.
We need to enhance awareness about TVET career paths.
I want all the other girls and women to be able to see and realize that they can be anything they want to be.
Leaders, government, private sector in particular really need to think of what it is we can do collectively.
And it has been a remarkable opportunity for all of us to be here and to engage with members and partners of WorldSkills International and share the vision of WorldSkills Africa. We will work with the current members to co-create the governance arrangements as well as encourage membership and mentorship and whole-handed support to new countries and willing countries that want to be part of WorldSkills Africa.
The reason why I'm here is because of my family and also because of the country. We have an abundance of different ingredients.
It's creation, it builds us.
We need implementers, we need artisans, we need people of different skill sets contributing to that path.
My appeal for the African countries is to join the WorldSkills movement. The world is not complete without Africa.